Hey YouTubers, it's Jerry the Mining Monkey today on President's Day, and we're going to be hunting today at a little local park here in town. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be field testing these new Whites Electronics Signature Series gloves that I just purchased from KellyCoDetectors.com. And so I'm really anxious to try these out, as well as the Teknetics Tek-Point pulse induction pinpointer. I have not used this thing at all yet, and so I'm actually really excited to try this pulse induction pinpointer, as well as the new, it's new for me actually, this GroundHawg shovel has been around for a couple of years, I believe, and I'm really excited to try this. Let me tell you, this thing is super sharp. This thing is considered a blade, so you should not mess around with this thing, but certainly this thing will cut through roots like butter. And this is what I was using in the past. It was just a shovel nose little mini shovel from Harbor Freight. It was just $5-6, and it did the job, but when I ran into some problems with roots, or when I ran into root problems or root environment, it got pretty difficult to cut around, and so this guy is going to solve my problem. So I'm really anxious to try these out, as well as the gloves and the Teknetics Tek-Point pinpointer. And so I'll be right back. There. Okay, so go ahead and put the I'd probably cut another chunk right here, okay, right down the middle. Damage the coin. Yep. It's here somewhere. Maybe it fell down here.
Is it in here?
Yeah.
There.
Nice.
What kind is that?
What is that?
It looks like 2015.
Is that a nickel?
It looks like a nickel.
Let's see. Yep, that's a nickel. All right.
There.
Trash.
Oh.
Is that more?
Sheesh.
All right. Well, that's trash. Somebody's medicine, whatever it was, Tylenol or whatever. I think the zinc pennies were $74.75, I think.
Oh, the worm's hogging it.
Huh. Bottle cap. See if there's anything else here. So far, these Whites gloves, Signature Series gloves, are pretty good. I can feel a lot of the texture of the ground, which is nice. And your hands are actually well insulated from the moist soil, which is nice. A lot of the cheaper gloves that you'll get the moisture will just bleed through the gloves, and you'll have wet hands. And during the cold winter days, it's not good because your hands start to freeze after a while. But these are well insulated. Very nice. I'm gonna cut this thing in half. So this plug is pretty thick. It's probably a good 4.5, 5 inches thick.
It's not even
Always
on.
turn it on. Alright, there it is.
Yep, there it is. What is that?
Looks like a bearing of some sort. It's a ball bearing of some sort. It looks like from one of those little fidget spinners or whatever you call those things. Did I lose it? That's weird. There it is. Is that a dime?
Dime,
All
yeah.
right. That's a clad dime right there. All right. That is a $1990, 1994, somewhere around there. This GroundHawg by Whites Electronics is man, the best shovel I've owned. I've owned several throughout the years, and definitely this guy is the cream of the crop. And for the price, man, you cannot go wrong for this with this shovel. I paid, I believe it was 65 bucks, and it's worth every penny. Usually shovels of this caliber will range anywhere from $100 on up. And definitely, if you're interested in getting one, get it from KellyCoDetectors.com. They'll treat you right. Just tell them Jerry the Mining Monkey sent you. Click on the link below, and you're set. So the Tek-Point Teknetics pulse induction, huh? This this metal detector, or this pinpointer certainly has been doing its job all day today. It's on top. Seems like it's on top. There's some thick grass. Okay, I need to split this guy up here. Hate to do this, but I'm gonna do it. There you are, a quarter. There it is. What'd I tell you? There it is. It's a state quarter, Virginia, 2005. All right. Any more? No, no more. Let's put this guy back. Put the dirt back. Be responsible. It's going to be right about there. Right by the tree. It's right on top. Sort of. This is going to be a shallow plug. What do you think it is, guys? Nickel? I think it might be a nickel or a bottle cap. Ah, there it is, right? Nickel. Today is President's Day, and this is President Thomas Jefferson. What year is it? (2001). Yep, 2001. Okay. Anything else in there? Nope. Could there be something else there? Really? There's gonna be something else? Another nickel, maybe? Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Quarter. Ba-boom. Good job, Tek-Point. Way to hunt it out. You want a Tek-Point, fellas? Go to KellyCoDetectors.com. All day long. Excellent customer service. They'll take care of you. Tell them Jerry the Mighty Monkey sent you. Click on the link below. Get your Tek-Point for $129.99. Some of the higher end, actually this is a high-end unit here. It's pulse induction, 16 frequencies. So if you have interference with your metal detector, you got 16 frequencies to choose from. No other pinpointer does that. And it's nice, man. Picked it up. Today's my first day hunting with it. So far haven't had any issues with it. And as you can see, I just dug up this quarter here. Really quick. And what is this? It looks like a state quarter. Not an oldie, but hey, changed nonetheless. We're ahead of the game. Didn't get skunked today. See if there's anything else. See if there's any more money in here. Nope. We're done. Cleaned house, huh? Clean the little house. Either a bottle cap or a nickel, but I suspect a nickel. Nice little plug. This thing is solid, man. Look at the weld on that thing. Beautiful orange. Nice T handle, pretty robust. Has the Whites signature logo right there, registered trademark logo. Yeah, it's stamped on there, really nice. Okay, let's see where this guy is. Look at the worm. Sorry, little guy. Bye-bye. Get back in there. Okay, right there. There it is. No, that wasn't it. Did I drop? I dropped it in there. Oil. No, what is that? Interesting, okay. Something else is still in. Maybe it's the rest of this little guy. Looks like some kind of bottle cap. It's trash. Not a big deal. Looks like a pull tab. Trash. A lot of worms here. there. How did I miss that? That's what the pinpointer's for, right? But it is a quarter. I love digging up plugs. Look at that right there. Nice little shiny thing. Another States quarter. What is that? Oh. It's a Canadian quarter? DG Regina. Ha! Elizabeth II. That's Canadian. I'll be darned. $19.88. Cool. It's 25 cents, man. My first Canadian quarter. Sweet. That's cool, man. Right on. Look at that. That's awesome. Good job, Tek-Point. Okay. I'll break this. Well, solid. Yep. That's what it be. Twist off cap. Cleaning up the earth, one piece at a time. I suspect there's going to be all kinds of kids climbing here all over the place. Probably a dime, I think. Yep. There should be another dime here somewhere. it is, nickel. It's been in there a while. 1983. Good old Tommy. Monticello. Okay, cool. Nickel. Where'd it go? Ah, that's little star. Custom jewelry of some sort. Time. Dime. Nope. Memorial penny. It's been in there a while. Scratch it. I'll just leave it. Clean it up at home.